So we're at Plummer Youth Promise in Salem, Massachusetts. We're sitting out here on a peninsula in Salem called Winter Island. The first person moved into this building in 1869. So, and there have been kids living in it ever since. Always serving young people who are struggling for one reason or another. Today, it's really young people in foster care. And we are so fortunate to still be on this waterfront setting because of the therapeutic value that it brings to our young people in their healing process. Probably about 10 years ago, we started really thinking about how do we steward the property that we're on. And so it only made sense to us to think about sustainability and to think about ground source heating and cooling and solar.
The geothermal system is a key component of Plummer's sustainability effort. We're harvesting heat from the ground, so the efficiency is 400% to 500%. Salem's pump system is incredibly important because it would be a shame to have all that efficiency and then have it dragged down by inefficient pumps.
For this project here at Plummer's Youth, we had a challenge to fit a large number of pumps in 3 relatively small mechanical spaces. There was not enough wall space in this mechanical room to accommodate a standard VFD with the 3-foot required NEC clearance. We moved to the hydrovar-X to provide the customer a solution for all 3 mechanical spaces.
So something we're really proud about with the hydrovar-X is its simplicity. We spent a lot of time on this and wanted to make it as easy and intuitive to use as possible. A lot of customers love the intelligence and capabilities that VFDs offer them, but they tend to shy away due to their complexity and hundreds of parameters to set. So what we have done is embedded our own proprietary software tailored around pumping applications and paired this with a Startup Genie, which is essentially a guided tool that takes you through the startup process. And based off of the user's inputs, it's going to set hundreds of different parameters behind the scenes to make it nice and efficient for them. It's going to tell these units when to stage on, off, how fast to ramp up, down, specific alarm thresholds associated with it to protect the system or application from anything going wrong. If something was to go wrong, we made this so the VFD or just the motor can easily be replaced. There's a few screws and you can pop the VFD off the motor. There's actually no wiring between the motor and VFD, which makes it nice and easy to separate the two. A lot of facilities have lofty goals of achieving net zero and being more sustainable. hydrovar-X's IE5 efficiency level will give them 40% less energy losses in the motor compared to a traditional induction motor, ultimately getting them a lot closer to achieving their goals.
What's unique about this project is that we're able to really solve water. We're able to use our products for a sustainable solution for this facility. We really want to work with our partners to help solve water issues in their community. So today we were able to volunteer side by side with our local partners, and we were also able to get a Watermark grant for Plummer Youth Promise to help further their mission.
Underneath it, there is 48 320-foot geothermal wells. Those come up into U-bends.
We're excited to engage with Watermark and work with Plummer Youth Services. It gets us an opportunity to get out and engage with the end user and understand truly how the equipment that we help size and select benefits facilities and programs like this.
So here at Plummer, we rely on the community in a wide variety of ways. Right? Sometimes for financial support, through grants, through corporate partners, or through foundations, and sometimes through volunteer efforts. And today we sort of have both going on. We have a big crew here today doing beach cleanup for us because we're fortunate to be located on the beach. It's spring, everybody's thinking about flowers. They're helping us plant flowers and fill planters that will be along this beautiful path that we've built. We're really thankful. We're really thankful for the support that we're getting today.